everybody, guess what? I went to the Dollar Tree again. I went with my husband. I was so excited. We were on one side of the town, and I'm like, hey, can we go to one of my favorite Dollar Trees? He's like, yeah, I guess so. So he's like, well, can I come in with you? And I'm like, yeah. So he came in with me, and I really wanted to look for more movies, because if you guys watched my past Dollar Tree video, they were just putting out movies. Well, now the Dollar Tree has them all when you walk in. So definitely check out as many as you can, because I got a variety at one store, and I went to another store, and they had totally different ones than what they had at the other store. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now we're going to birthdays galore, and I need some gift bags. I probably have some, but I thought, you know what, I don't care. I'm just going to get some gift bags. So I ended up getting a Mickey Mouse. We're going to a 1-year-old and 3-year-old birthday party soon. So I had to get a Mickey Mouse and a Paw Patrol. I thought these were great to give the boys for their birthday. I ended up finding George of the Jungle, the George of the Jungle 3. Now this was on PBS a while back ago. It is an hour and 21 minutes. I ended up getting 2 of them because we are giving one to a friend for their birthday. So I thought, you know what, why not keep one for Ben for $1? He really likes Curious George, and I love getting Dollar Tree movies. I don't know why, I just love it. So cannot pass these up. So yeah, and it's weird, they're like 2 different cases. I got a black one and a white one, but they're the same exact thing. So yeah, so we got that. I just love Dollar Tree movies, and I'm like, husband, can we go to another Dollar Tree so I can see what movies they are? And I'm gonna ask him tomorrow if we can go to another Dollar Tree to see what movies they have. But as you guys know, I found Rocko's Modern Life at one store, and I found the Angry Birds. Now this is season 3, part 1. This is 4 hours long. 4 hours long. That is so crazy. I don't even know. It doesn't even tell me how many episodes are on here, but it's 2 discs. And I'm like, you know what? I used to watch Angry Birds. Now it wasn't like my favorite show, but it's like hello childhood memories. So I had to get Angry Beavers. Now I looked and see if I found any other seasons, but I'm like, I don't care. So I'm super excited to watch my childhood memories with that. I ended up getting a Mickey Mouse coloring book. I thought this would be a cute little book to get for the birthday party that we're going to, and the one kid is obsessed with Mickey Mouse, so I had to get a Mickey Mouse coloring book. I'm like, why not? You know, it's great to get coloring books. I also got a Winnie the Pooh coloring book. I've never seen Winnie the Pooh before, and I thought this is kind of cute. It's just, you know, just a very simple Winnie the Pooh, so I thought that'd be a great gift to give. I mean, coloring crayons are awesome. I found this, and I've been to a ton of Dollar Trees, and I have not seen this yet, but it says, "Let Freedom Ring." I thought that was super cute. It's just like a regular, you know, sign. And I thought, you know what, I'm really super excited to decorate up for 4th of July. So I have some DIYs. I'm going to do a 4th of July with that. Actually, I should have gotten another one of these because I could put that in a wreath. I should have. Now I'm on a hunt to go look for more of these. But definitely had to get a sign. I really like these kind of signs, and I love glitter. So yes, I got a 3-pack of the Mickey and the Roadster Racer crayons. I thought this would be a great gift to give for the birthday party. So, and I love bargain shopping. I like to give, when I do gifts, I like to give as much as I can. I like more bang for my buck. So that's just the type of person I am. So I got those. I ended up getting this movie Blitz. Now, I don't know if this has a digital copy to it. I really like movies with digital copies to it. And the husband was with me, and I'm like, Graham, do you have this? And he's like, I don't know. I don't know if I do or not. Me and him don't know. I mean, if you guys look at my movie collection, I got like 600 movies. I am obsessed with movies. I usually watch a movie a day, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. I am just obsessed with movies. We don't have cable, but we have like Netflix, and we have Amazon Prime, and I can watch a bunch of other shows. But movies are my thing. They've always been my thing. I've always been obsessed with movies. Like, if I could be a movie critic, I wish I could, because I just absolutely love movies. So I can't remember if we have this movie or not. I should actually go look. His movies are downstairs. Mine are all upstairs, because I watch my movies more than he does. So could not go wrong with the movie Blitz. I found this little watercolor paint. I thought this would be kind of cute. And it's got red, orange, yellow, green, teal, and probably black. I'm not sure, it's sealed. But I thought that would be a cute little thing to get for a birthday party, so had to get that. I also got a Curious George Swings into Spring. Now this is just only an hour, it's 57 minutes, but I thought, again, a great little thing to give. I'm not sure if we are keeping this or if I'm going to give this away for a birthday party. I am not sure, so, but it's Curious George, so I could not pass that up. Yeah, and then we ended up getting this movie. Now, husband thinks I am obsessed with Zac Efron. I said, Graham, are you interested in maybe seeing this movie? It's called Parkland. He's like, I don't even know what it's about. And I'm like, I don't know what it's about, but it's something about, you know, JFK. And he's like, oh, you only like it because it's got Zac Efron on it. Like, the guy thinks I'm obsessed with Zac Efron. No. I do like High School Musical 1, 2, and 3. Yes, I love musicals, but I like Zac Efron. I'm just not obsessed with him like I am with Channing Tatum and other people. But, I mean, why not? But I'm like, for $1, I'll get it. And again, I don't think this had $1, or I don't think this had a digital copy. And the reason why I'm obsessed with digital copies is because I do my Vudu. If you guys get a lot of movies that have Voodoos and stuff, I love digital movies because sometimes, like, I just don't want to get up. I just want to push play and I can just turn a movie on. Or if I'm at my parents' house and we want to watch a movie, I'm like, hey, just use my account. So my mom and I share my account so she can watch the movies that I buy and I can watch the movies that she buys because we live 2.5 hours apart. So had to get this movie. I thought, why not? I don't think there's a digital copy in here. It doesn't say, but sometimes they like to surprise you. So Parkland, let me know if that is good. And then the husband also grabbed some gummies. He helped himself to those, and they're already gone, as you guys see. We got a bottle of water, but we went to 3 different parks today, so we went on a nice hike, so we're just really thirsty. And then he got a Jolly Rancher Push Pop, and he got like 3/4 done with it, and he's like, I can't eat this anymore. And I'm like, I'm not a big fan of I'm not a big fan of Jolly Rancher. That's like the one candy I will not eat. I don't like Jolly Ranchers, so we got those. And then he ended up, actually, never mind, look at this. He didn't take them yet. So we got the Starburst Gummies. These are his favorite. And then it looks like he also found Starburst Gummy Sours. So guess what? I'm taking these from him and pretending I'm giving them to him for his birthday. So, sorry, Graham, you're not getting these right now. Yes. And then he found this. It is the Banquet pot pies. It's a sausage and gravy deep dish. I have yet to try these, but I'm like, you know what? We'll try them. And sometimes at the store they're $1. Sometimes they're a little bit less than that. But he ended up getting them. They're both the same flavor. But I'm like, why not? It still has frost on it. That is so weird. It's been in our trunk for like 2 hours, but it's still like frozen, and it doesn't expire till August 17th, 2019. So that's a great deal. It's something, you know, to try, and it's a little bit different. And then I had to try this. It is Milky Way, and it's just simply caramel. Now, I love Milky Ways. Milky Ways are probably one of my favorite kinds of chocolate. But I hate dark chocolate, and I'm just like, I don't know. It just says simply caramel. I have to try it. You guys, you know, you can't pass up free. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just rambling on, but. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. You guys, I am going crazy over Dollar Tree. Husband is getting mad at me, but you guys know my obsession with Dollar Tree. I told him when we go on vacation in a month, I'm like, can we go to the Dollar Tree? He's like, no. I'm like, why? He's like, we don't need to. So we are, because I'm a princess. And so be prepared for that. Like in a month, we're going to go in June. And I will do the video while we're in our hotel room. And I will show you guys what I got. So we're going to kind of do just like a little vacation edition of the Dollar Tree. I'm probably going to go the night or the day after we go. Just because, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? But you guys know what to do. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. I love to share with you guys what I get. I'm trying to get more food ideas. A lot of you guys like knowing what I do for the DIYs. I'm going to start doing more DIYs, so stay tuned for that. I have a package coming that I'm going to do a little unboxing for that. So I have a lot of Dollar Tree stuff to share with you guys. I still want to do a shop with me, but I have to do it when my son is not with me. But other than that, I don't know, I found some great finds, and I'm on a hunt to find more movies. I love Dollar Tree movies because movies, why not? And for $1, go for it. So, yes. But you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys another time for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.